That's something big, you guys. I don't know if it's a bass or a carp or something. I have no idea, but it's big. Look at my net. Oh yeah. That might be I might have hung something by the tail or something. Oh, that's a big old bass, you guys. And I'm talking about a big old 4-5 pound bass. Hope you don't break my line. This is 6 pound test line. And that's what you need the net for right here. Oh, that's what you need the net. Oh, nearly. This is gonna be, God, dog, I hope it don't break it. 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 Oh, hope it don't break it. Oh, jeez. God dang, what's going on with my net? That's why I need a bigger net. Oh, he was getting ready to jump, you guys. All right, hold on. There we go. Oh, nearly. God dog it. This might be the second biggest fish of the year for me. I got that one that was 5'6" or 5'7" up under that bridge. And this one here, Lord Jesus. I gotta go get my scale. I gotta go and get my scale, you guys. This might be a 6 pounder. God dog. Oh man. Oh, it might be a 6 pounder, guys. Might be a 6 pounder. It's just bad, baby. Wait. Guys, look how big that fish is. God, that's a, look at the body. Look at, man. God dang. Lord Jesus. 5 pounds, 2 ounces, you guys. All right, guys, let me get you a better look. There we go. 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Big old belly. Eating good. It's a trophy. This is a trophy bass, you guys. That'll make a Bassmaster a champion. Let's get back in there. And she is leaving. I'll holler at you later, Slab Hunter. Thanks for the pictures. You can see she the master back here. She just taking her time. Guys, that was all right. That was amazing. And I got it on 6 pound high vid mystery crappie test line. Setting that drag just right.